to have a training program for librarians. Siguro, can I see a hands of teachers? Sino po mga teachers talaga dito? Ayan, thank you very much po for joining us. Kasi usually, in the assignment, may mga AO po ba dito? Yes, at Polytechnic University of the Philippines.
Or learn about writing your own book with the storyteller. The first floors of the library will open on Monday, January 30th. All 5 floors are expected to open in the months to come.
Tapos may tindahan nasa library. Hindi na rin. Paano mag-connect? Ito lang. May storage room nila.
As one of NLB's technology partners, NEC has worked closely with NLB on its digital transformation journey since 1998.
Wi-Fi,
Some collaborative solutions to make library services more convenient for patrons are the auto sort, mobile book drop, shelf reading robot, and reservation locker. Book sorting can be a time-consuming manual task for library staff. With the auto sort, staff can focus on implementing more value-added services for patrons. This machine is capable of sorting up to 3,000 items a day, separating them into different categories such as books, magazines, and audio-visual materials.
wala ka nang dumating.
For easier and
Meron ba? No, internet na naman.
Tinatalo.
Ngayon, galing marami. Marami mang galing motherboard, script text with yun yung mga sample kami. Or yung mga estudyante na hindi nila inuwi yung kanyang nilalakan. Private sa mga private. Di bale, dahil textbook yun ng mga bata. Public. Saka maganda yung mga kasi may mga pwede yung sa supply. Di ba ma'am? Hindi siya textbook. Textbook ng private. At least hindi additional reference.
Learning library outside the library opening hours and during opening hours. Send the location of the library to library staff.
Di ba sabi charger? Kaso nga lang, pansaksakan tayo.
Since 2019, reservation lockers have been made available at public libraries and retail library nationwide. Collecting reserved items is now a streamlined self-service process that takes only 2 to 3 minutes. With a customized software logic, RFID, and touch technology, patrons can now pick up their reserved items even outside the library's opening hours.
Bili tayo ng gogo.
Something, call number.
Wala kailangan tutulas eh.
A day of preparing.
Wala nang trabaho ng library.